Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to increase video graphics memory in Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To increase video graphics memory in Windows 10 computer, first of all, right click on Start menu, click on Device Manager. Here you will find display adapter, expand it and select the display adapter and right click on it and click on update drivers and then click on search automatically for drivers. The best driver for your device are already installed. Click on close device manager, right click on your desktop and click on display settings. Now scroll down. Here you will find an option advanced display settings. Click on it and then click on display adapter properties for display 1, and here you will find the total available graphics memory 4172 MB and dedicated video memory is only 128 MB. Now I am going to increase the dedicated video memory. Click on OK. Close settings. Insert type RHCEDIT. Right click on registry editor and click on run as administrator. Now go to SKey local machine, expand it, then expand software, then you will find here Intel and right click on Intel and go to new and click on key and type GMM and then select GMM and right click on empty area, go to new and click on keyword 32-bit value and you have to type the name here, capital D, dedicated and capital S, segment and capital S, size. Type the name as it is and you have to change the value. If your physical RAM is 2 GB, the value will be 256. If it is 4 GB, the value will be 512, and if the RAM is 8 GB, the value will be 1024, and if your RAM is 16 GB, the value will be 2048. My RAM is 8 GB, that's why I will assign the value 1024. Okay, now right click on the dedicated segment size setting and click on modify and type the value 1024. Now click on OK. Close registry editor and now you need to restart your computer. Click on start menu and then click on power and then click on restart. After restarting the computer, hope your video graphics memory is increased in Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.